Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube intro for free. To do this we will use our phone, so if you have a smartphone with Android, you will be able to create intro for YouTube for free in about 5 minutes. So let's start. First of all, we need to download this application. It's called Intro with Music. Of course, you can find a link to this application in the description of this video. So all you need to do is to click on the link in the description and then install this app. Once you have it, we need to start it. This app is completely free to use, however, from time to time ad is going to pop up, so all we need to do is to click close and close the ad. So this is how it looks like when we start the app. We have to hit this orange button over here. So I'm gonna click on it, and right now this is the first step. We have to choose photos or videos that we would like to add to our intro. So if we have, for example, logo of our website or our channel, we can add this photograph here. I'm gonna add this orange Android. And once I chose the photos that I want to add, I can hit this button over here to confirm and move to the next step. The next step is adding a title to our intro. So for example, I'm gonna type in the apps world. And once you type whatever is the name of your channel or your website, you can hit on the orange button to continue. And right now, as you can see, our intro is already playing. So what we can do down here is to choose different templates of the intro and choose the ones we like. I'm gonna show you a few of the available templates, and of course you can choose which ones you like. You can check all of them. So I'm going to choose this intro, and now we can move to the next step. Over here we can click on this icon over here, and this will allow us to edit our intro further. First of all, here we've got two slides, one slide with our text and the second one with our photograph. So let's start from the one with our photo. Over here we have some options. One of them is duration, so I'm gonna hit on it, and as you can see we can change the duration to short, regular or extended. I'm gonna make it short duration. We can also set focus, for example. So if we want focus points to be in some place, we can change it to any place we want. So let's say I want the focus to be over here. I can confirm. We can rotate our photograph, as you can see. We can change the layout to fit or automatic. And we can also click on add text and add some text on top of our image. I'm gonna leave it without text, and now let's move to the text layer. Over here we can duplicate it, for example. So right now we've got two text layers. And on this second slide, we can, for example, write some motto or some slogan of our website or channel. We can encourage our users to subscribe or like. So if you need more than one text in your intro, you can add it easily by doing that. And then we hit the green button to confirm. And right now, as you can see, I have slide with subscribe, and I've got the first slide with the name of my channel. And of course, we can also change the duration of our slide. I'm going to change everything to short duration, and I can play it to see how fast it will look like. So short duration was too short, so I'm going to change it to regular. Let's see how fast subscribe will be. Yes, it's also too fast. Now let's see this one. So in my opinion this looks fine already. So now we can hit on the X in the left top corner and we can move to the next step, which is adding music. Of course you heard that there is some music already, however we can change it by pressing this button, and then over here if we click on the right arrow we can see that there is music library available. So once we hit it, unfortunately sometimes there is an ad, so we need to close it, and here we have access to some music that we can choose from. Of course, if you have some music on your phone, you can hit My Music tab over here and then choose some audio track from your device. I'm gonna choose some music from the available audio tracks over here. Maybe I'm gonna choose this one. So I'm gonna click on it. Once I click on it, as you can hear in the background, there is some music playing already. So I can confirm by clicking this button over here in the right bottom corner. And in this moment, this music was added to my intro already. So if you're satisfied with this intro and the music that you've added, we can move to the next step over here. And over here we can change the duration of the whole intro. As you can see, it's 18 seconds at the moment. I can, for example, change it to 15 seconds and it will be a little bit faster. So you can make your intro longer or shorter, depends on what you need. And then we hit on the green button. Next thing we can change is over here Cinema, Square and Portrait. So once we hit this button, we can change our intro to be square size. If you want your intro to be vertical, we can hit Portrait, and as you can see it's vertical right now. However, if you're doing intro for YouTube, I would recommend doing Cinema size, so it will look as you can see right now. The next thing we can do is to change when the music starts. So over here, by dragging it to the right or to the left, we can, for example, make our music start from the 5th second or 2nd second or whatever we need. And then we have 3 more options. Filter will allow us to add some filters to the photographs that we've added or to the videos that we've added. So over here we can do that. Next we've got the font, so we can make the font capitalized. Like you can see right now, it will automatically change to capital letters, or sentence case. So I'm gonna leave it as sentence case. And then we've got palette, and over here we can change the colors of our intro. As you can see right now it's green, now it turned into gray. Here is some other colors to choose from. So I'm sure you will find palette that you will like and the colors that you really like in your intro. Once you choose them, you hit the green button. So our intro is ready. So right now we need to export it. To do that we need to click in the right top corner over here. Once we do that, an advertisement will pop up, so we have to close it. And here we've got 2 options. We can either send our file, share it somewhere online, or we can save it without sharing. So I'm gonna click on the second option, save without sharing. And as you can see, my intro is being generated right now. It could take up to 2 minutes to generate our intro, depends how long it is. And once it's done, our intro will be available in the intro templates in this app. And it will also be saved on our phone, in our gallery. There will be a new folder created with the intro in it. So as you can see, my intro is here already, and I'm going to show you the folder on my device. So as you can see, I'm in the folder called Video Show, Video Maker. So you have to find this folder in your gallery. And over here, as you can see, there is intro saved in this folder. So I'm gonna play it so you can see how it looks like. So as you can see, intro is ready, it's in HD resolution, and we've created it for free. I hope this video was helpful. If so, remember to hit thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.